Okay, my boos, let's get into making this steak. First, you're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Make sure it's just salt and pepper. You don't need all the other stuff, okay? Make sure that meat is seasoned, okay? Get a little oil in the pan. Get a cast iron skillet pan. They are the best. Break you up some little garlic, like that, like Miss Tabitha Brown say, even though it's meat. You're gonna add a little garlic once you flip it the first time. Then add a little butter and some rosemary. A little fancy, okay? It give it flavor. And you finna baste that meat. You're gonna let that steak rest for 20 minutes, okay? Go ahead, add the butter on top of it like that. Sexy, I know. Sexy! You're gonna do the same thing with the other one, okay, y'all? Don't overcook that steak. You only need about 5 minutes on each side, period. And if it ain't pink in the middle, you not finna argue with me if you like that overdone steak, okay? I'm not even finna argue with y'all because y'all still chewing that bitch. Period. It needs to be pink in the middle, okay? Damn, that's sexy. I know.